Okay, time for another video, hacking with the Onagofly. So I've got it powered up, and what I've discovered after a port scan, if I do a port scan on it, first you have to connect to it via the Wi-Fi. This is on a laptop. Instead of a phone, I'm using a laptop. So I'm connected to the Onagofly on this laptop. And if I go and look at the networking information, which you can do several ways, but I'm going to show you how to do it with the command line. You open up the command window, you type ipconfig space /all, and that will show you all your computer's networking. So we go down to the wireless adapter here, which is this one right here, and you'll notice that the Onagofly has given us an IP address of 192.168.1.12 because the Onagofly is basically just a little flying wireless access point with a DHCP server, which is a server that hands out IP addresses. So the DHCP server, which is the Onagofly itself, is 192.168.1.254. That means that is the Onagofly's IP address. So if you want to talk to it or see what it's got available on the laptop, that is the IP address you're going to go to. So the first thing we'll do is open up a web browser. Let's get it in focus. And we're going to go to 192.168.1.254. We open that up, and lo and behold, no, it's not happy because I don't have because I haven't done anything. Anyway, here's everything that's on the internal SD card. In the Onagofly folder it creates, you open it up, there's the movies folder, you open that up, and there's all your files. So you could just download the files directly to your laptop using this method. See, if you click them, they're going to download. But we don't want to do that right now. So we're going to shut this down. Cancel downloads. Hopefully it will stay up and not die on me. So now the second thing we're going to do is we are going to scan that IP address through the entire TCP port range and see what exactly it's got available on the network via what's called TCP ports, or ports, not ports for that it can talk on. So we're running a scan, and here in a few, here it comes. It's telling me, okay, it found a device at 192.168.1.254, and it's going to continue to scan. First it finds the web server, which we just looked at on the browser. The second port it's going to find is a streaming video port at 554. And while that scans, we'll go play with 554, because this is the one that's kind of interesting. I'm going to load up a program called VLC, which is just a video viewer, but it has the ability to use streaming video. So I'm going to go to video net file, network stream, and I'm going to put in RTSP. That is the protocol it is using. That's a standard streaming video protocol. So then :/192.168.1.254 and port 554, and I open that up, and hopefully, all things being equal, guess what? There's the Onagofly camera. If I can get it around here towards me, let me find it. Streaming video. So now while you're flying, you could also have a laptop set up and watch the video, have other people being able to watch the video as you're flying around. you can control it on the phone, but have the laptop showing everybody what you see. That's kind of interesting. You could also record this. Anyway, so there's that port. I've got to investigate. There's 2 more ports that show up. 3333 and 8000. Probably they're to do with the control of it via the app, how to fly it. Anyway, I'll dig a little deeper and see what I can find out.